Inside the Palace Haven, an exquisite 2-bedroom Airbnb located at the Shawmuit Suites in the heart of Nakuru CBD. About to take you on a show house of this home, and then I'll show you the amenities right here as well, including, top of the list actually, a swimming pool, a gym, rooftop views, and much more. Let's get going. Let's kick off with the main product, the Palace Haven. It's located on 7th floor, meaning if you love views, this is just that unit for you. Of course, there's a lift coming all the way up here. So I'm inside the living room, which is furnished with a 7-seat recliner, very comfy, burgundy in color. You're noticing also on the wall, plus the curtains, they are blending, the burgundy, even the carpet. I mean, if there is one Airbnb host ambaye anahitaji makofi, ni huyu hapa. Tumpigie makofi yake kwanza before niendelee. I mean, the kind of blending ambayo amefanya hapa, it's truly amazing. Alright, so amekuwekea hapo like, I don't know, it is a 100-inch screen for your entertainment. There is Wi-Fi, it's really a cozy place to be. Alright, then on this end here, we have got a dining table for 4. So the unit is 2 bedrooms and they are all en suite. And so you can host like 4 people, typically, sharing the bedrooms. So that's why we have got a 4-seat dining table. But if you are more, then I'm sure there's a way you can improvise up and down. Yeah, hata pale somebody, can serve themselves. Kuna some tables pale, na anaweza jiekea tu kando yake, and they dine from there. But look at the staging here, on the dining table. Truly amazing. It's like they're expecting some romantic dinner tonight in this Airbnb. All right, so it is an open plan concept. So from the kitchen right here to the dining to the lounge, it is open all through. Encourages conversations, and of course makes the room looks much bigger. Sindio? So inside the kitchen, typically you have got everything you need. You have got a 4-burner, gas cooker right there. I see they have a blender, so if you like, blending your juice and some other food stuff, well, you are sorted. Keto iko pale kuchemsha maji. They have even some, some starter, kama sugar, nini, coffee. Kifika hapa, you can always, prepare coffee before you even, start doing other things. Sindio? Microwave iko hapo. If you order your chicken from Kudo, bas, ikifika tu hapa, unaweza kula ile inabaki kidogo, you can always warm with that oven pale. And of course, your other food stuff, unaweza kapa even ndani ya fridge, unapika pole. So especially, so the time I'm doing this video, it is festive season. For those who are coming to Nakuru for longer stays, I highly recommend this unit. In the heart of CBD, everything is around you, and typically inside you can see how cozy it is. All right, so we're done with the kitchen right there. There is even a fruit basket here, Is it a rack or something? So you can always panga your fruits up hivi, and then for easy kukula pole. So of course you have a sink hapo, dish, what do you call it? It's not dish holder. Okay, ya kuwekelea vyombo. Okay, iko hapo. And of course this counter here gives you more worktop, to work with. Now, I can mention all of this, but there are actually people who just go to Airbnb and they do take away. So they may even never make use of this, but as well there are those who like to go into a unit and then they even prepare their food. Wanaishi kama wako kwao. So it's important that I serve both of you. So outside here, there is a 10 kg laundry machine. So for those who are coming for longer stays, even 3-4 days, you at some point you may need to wash your clothes. Ndio hapo, alafu of course hapa nyuma, this balcony, come laundry area now, it gives you views of Lake Nakuru on that end, the rest of CBD, even on this side, just like a panoramic view of Nakuru at large. All right, so acha nikupeleke hivi, then I take you inside the bedrooms. Okay, kuja huku. We check out the bedrooms, and of course dispenser simama mahali iko hapo. Now before we go to the bedroom, so right here ndo tuko na what you call the common washroom. So when you guys are enjoying entertainment from there or even dining, you can always use that space. Okay, alafu I just love the way they added this floor mat on this hallway, unlike ingekuwa tu hivyo yani plain, so the details in this Airbnb are really top notch. So I just entered one of the bedrooms here. I told you it is 2 bedrooms, all en suite. So typically you decide which one is the master bedroom. So this one has got the theme of green and white, and of course the bed is gray. I mean, the combination is really amazing. So 5x6 bed with a side bed drawers pale, what do you call this kind of carpets? Is the fur, the fur carpets, really nice around the bed evo. So you're not going to have some cold feet here. Okay? And of course, you've got enough wardrobes hapa. So mkuja na mango zenu, weka hapo ndani. And then it is en suite, I've already said that. So with a dry bath kule, toilet right there, and everything else, ambazo unahitaji hapa kwa washroom. Ziko hapo zote. Okay? I mean, there is just so much details that you can't go on one by one, Do I have to mention tissues and etc.? Honestly, ziko hapo zinaonekana, si ndio? All right. So this is the other bedroom. So now this one, from the look of it, from the furnishing, it kind of speaks like it is the primary bedroom, the master bedroom. It has got a bulkier bed, then this one comes with a theme of navy blue and white. Very executive, looks amazing. And then of course on that end, your wardrobes again ziko pale. Look at the lightings, all around in this home. Really beautiful, from the wall lamps to the downlight, and then it is well lit, so nikisongesha tu hivi, these are sheer, I'm able to see again all through, nice views. And of course you've got a portable ironing table right here. There it is, of course, with an iron box itself, very executive. And then it is en suite, needless to say, much more again, dry bath, toilet, and those other stuff ambazo you expect to have in an executive washroom. Sindio? So typically mpaka hapo, we just covered this 2-bedroom apartment, really amazing. The staging is awesome, just waiting for you to come here for a stay. Okay? So mpaka hapo, number, you can call it on the screen, but there is much more that I want to show you. Let's start with the rooftop, then I'll also mention the other amenities ambazo ziko hapa. Join me up there. Yeah, so up here there is a rooftop. If you have to have much better views, unobstructed, 360-degree views of Nakuru City, just go to the rooftop and enjoy yourself. And then now on the ground floor is where you have the swimming pool. So you can always go there. They have the kids pool and the adults pool. So you can even come like a whole family na mnajibamba pale chini. Beyond that, you can always access the gym. As long as you're a resident here, you have access to the gym. So ingia pale, whether morning, midday or evening, just do your zoezi and get better health-wise. Sindio? Now, of course, this unit is located in the heart of CBD at Shawmuit Suites, like I said. So you can always take a stroll around CBD as well. Easy access to the supermarkets. Walmart is just across. You can always go there. You buy some food stuff and some other stuff that you need, or even Naivas at Westside. If you need to have dinner, outside Kule at Westside, there are many restaurants there. So you are really in the heart of everything in Nakuru. And I believe, apart from the exquisiteness of this Airbnb, another winning point is the proximity to amenities. So take advantage of that and book this Airbnb via the number that is on the screen. Call the host, give them your dates, and reserve your stays here. Up to that point, see you in the next one. And even if you have an Airbnb anywhere around Nakuru, well, we'll be glad to showcase it, to give it visibility, to let the public know that your business exists. Our number is 0791 055 678. Asanteni sana.